How to set up automatic forwarding on Outlook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on Settings on top right in Outlook, then click on Rules. After you click on Rules, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add New Rule. In here, you can add rule name, apply rule on messages. After that, add a condition. You'll find all these options. For the condition, select the condition you prefer. After you add a condition, simply add an action. After you add an action, simply scroll all the way down. After selecting condition and action, you will need address as well. Simply add any address you want. Also select an option for action as well. You can also add another action. After that, scroll all the way down. Make sure there's tick mark in Run Rule Now and then click on Save. And this is how to set up automatic forwarding email on Outlook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.